Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube account on your phone on any device. So this is going to be of an Android, iPhone, whatever you've got. It's going to be the same process throughout. So first of all, you're going to want to go ahead and delete your YouTube app if you have it on your phone, because you can't do it actually on the YouTube app. So just make sure you delete it before you start this. It's a bit weird, I know, but you're going to want it to be able to do this on a web browser. So first off, open the web browser. It can be Safari, Google Chrome, whatever it is. Open up, type in youtube.com. Then you're going to want to make sure you are logged in. And then once you're logged in, you click on the top right hand corner with your profile picture. Click your channel. And then you're going to want to look in the top right hand corner with the three circles there, the three buttons. Then you're going to want to click on that and then click desktop. It's going to bring you to the desktop version, which is basically what you're going to need to be able to do this. Then click the top left hand corner with the YouTube icon. So it's going to bring up this type of page right here. Once you're here, the process starts by clicking at the top right hand corner with your profile picture. Then you're going to want to click the YouTube settings button, the little cog there. And then once you've got to this page, you're going to want to click advanced settings. And then at the bottom there, you're going to see delete channel. You're going to want to go ahead and click on that and follow that process there. I'm not going to click it right now because I don't want to delete this YouTube channel, but this is how you do it. This is how you get to the page. If this did help you out, leave a like on the video, subscribe for more videos like this, comment anything in the description below, click one of the other videos on the screen or playlists. That's it for now. See you in the next video.